Have you ever wondered how to start a dropshipping business? Today, we're going to demystify this process for you. Dropshipping is a retail model where you sell products directly from the supplier without keeping them in stock. It's popular among e-commerce enthusiasts because it requires less startup capital and reduces the risks associated with holding inventory. This video will break down the process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. So are you ready to dive into the world of dropshipping? Let's get started. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is identifying a niche. Picking the right niche is crucial. It's like choosing the right soil to plant your seeds. You want a niche that's fertile, not too crowded, but has a promising customer base. Start by researching market trends, customer interests, and competition. Consider your own interests and expertise too, as this will make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Analyze, compare, and make an informed decision. Remember, the key to a successful dropshipping business is finding the right niche. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is finding a supplier. Start by researching potential suppliers who specialize in your chosen products. Don't forget to check their reviews and ratings. You want a supplier who is reliable and can deliver quality products on time. Ask for samples if possible, to verify the product quality. Remember, this isn't just about finding the cheapest option. Your supplier is your business partner, and their performance directly impacts your success. Your supplier is a key partner in your dropshipping business, so choose wisely. With your niche and supplier in place, it's time to build your e-commerce website. The path you take here can vary. Perhaps you'll lean towards a popular platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms offer easy-to-use tools to create a stunning, user-friendly website. It's crucial that your site is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also optimized for sales. Remember, a smooth shopping experience can significantly boost your conversion rates. Your website is your storefront, so make sure it reflects your brand and is easy for customers to navigate. Now that your website is up and running, it's time to market your products. Diversify your strategies, from social media marketing, where you can reach potential buyers directly, to SEO, which ensures your products are found on search engines. Don't forget email marketing, perfect for keeping your brand in the minds of customers. The key is to track and optimize your efforts, refining what works and discarding what doesn't. Remember, even the best products won't sell if people don't know about them, so don't skimp on marketing. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a dropshipping business. We've walked through identifying a niche, finding a reliable supplier, building an e-commerce website, and marketing your products. Remember, the key is to stay focused, patient, and consistent. This journey may have its challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. Starting a dropshipping business may seem daunting, but with these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming an e-commerce entrepreneur. Good luck!